Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. So today's video is going to be a styling and try on video using this wig that was sent to me from Aaron21. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links down below in the description box. So when I opened up my package, of course I received my wig. I also received additional headbands, deep conditioner, a wig cap, as well as a storage bag for my wig. So the wig that I'll be wearing today is a headband wig. It's from Aaron21. The hairstyle is water wave. The hair texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The cap size is a size 1. And the cap construction is a band wig. So if you are unfamiliar with headband wigs, there is no lace parting anywhere on the wig, but it does give you the versatility of wearing high ponytails, half up, half down hairstyles, a low ponytail, a low bun. It gives you that quick and convenient hairstyle that you may want from a lace front wig without the damage to your edges. With a headband wig, all you would have to do is put your wig cap on or not, and then secure the combs that come on the wig, and then basically just secure down the Velcro that is attached to the wig as well, and that gives you a custom fit. Now, I've tried 2 headband wigs in the past, and the headband wigs that I tried did not come with enough combs for me personally. So when I took this wig out of the package, the first thing that I did was sew extra combs at the bottom of the wig. And the reason why I sewed extra combs at the bottom of the wig is that because it does only come with 1 comb in the back, when you're doing high ponytails, you have no security or nothing to hold the wig down on the 2 sides. And I do find that it's very difficult to achieve certain hairstyles with a headband wig without extra combs back there. So lately I have been loving headband wigs because of how convenient, quick, and easy the headband wigs are, and the fact that it just switches up your hairstyle so effortlessly, which makes it perfect for beginners. So if you are new to the wig wearing world, I do definitely 150% recommend you try a headband wig first before you get into like lace fronts, closures, all of that stuff. I think that headband wigs are pretty straight to the point, and it does give you that option of switching up your hair as often as you would like to switch it up. Because it's so quick and convenient, I think that these wigs are perfect for Zoom calls, FaceTime calls, running to the store, a quick unexpected guest that arrived at your house. It's just, the options for wearing the wig are more practical than a typical lace front that you would have to glue, tape, or gel down, because this is so easy to just put on your head and go. I think that this is like literally the best thing since sliced bread, literally. So I'm excited to try this wig on because I have tried a couple of headband wigs in the past, but I have not tried this texture. One thing that I would love to see from different companies who are now carrying headband wigs is maybe have the option of a vixen type of construction so that we can have even more versatility with it. Like if we want to do 2 buns or a half up, half down hairstyle, if you had like a lace parting space somewhere on the wig cap, it may be a little bit more expensive, but that does give us an even more natural looking wig. Especially with it being a headband wig, there are no parts or any type of lace anywhere on the wig. It kind of looks a little fishy, and it does limit the amount of hairstyles that you can do because you don't have that full versatility of having a lace part anywhere on the actual wig cap. And I love the natural fullness of this wig. It's not too thick and overwhelming. It does give me a natural look. I love the wave and curl pattern, so I'm super excited to try this wig on. Of course, none of my hair is out in the front, and I am going to style this wig with very minimal of my hairline showing because my hair ain't this texture, y'all. So I know I ain't getting away with that, wearing my hairline out. So putting this wig on, she's a little snug, but I like the fact that she is snug enough because that's giving me secure vibes, you know what I mean? It's giving me security. So let me just adjust these combs in my hair. No, she stretches, she's a good fit. Just gonna make sure that she's all secure. I like this curl pattern a lot. And next I'm just going to grab the Velcro strap that comes on it, or like this Velcro headband thing that comes on all the wigs, and I am just going to secure that down. One thing that I do like about this or headband wigs in general, is that if your hair, your kitchen naps are showing in the back, you can pull down the headband and that kind of covers it, so you don't have to worry about being uncomfortable about your hair showing in the back when you are doing a high ponytail or bun. I think this wig is super cute. I'm going to have to like mess around with it, of course. I'm going to play around with a few hairstyles, but I do like the fullness of it. I don't feel like it's overwhelmingly thick, and I do like the length of it because it still gives me the option of, you know, still doing a high bun if I want to, but it's not so long that I'm super hot if I'm wearing it, or that I have to worry about the maintenance of it. And with it being virgin hair, if you want to straighten this hair, you can definitely do that. So you can wear it wet or you can wear it curly as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do with this wig is basically just pull it back a little bit, y'all. And of course you don't have to add any baby hairs or anything to your hairline, because you can wear the headband over your hairline completely, or you can just have a little bit of your hairline peeking through like this. My hairline is not the thickest, so I am going to get like some gel that conceals the thinness of my hairline a little bit, and I am going to make like little designs on my hair, just like minor baby hairs, and I am going to try to style her up so that you guys can see how this hair would look in different hairstyles. But I like this hair so far. Let's just get started with styling it.
But you're making me. I don't wanna feel insane, but you're making me over and over. Why do I still need you? You don't even want me. Stop taking my breath away. Why can't I just leave you? Find someone who'll treat me better and better each day. Don't you know what you've done to me? Don't you feel when you're touching me? Am I made of glass? You look right through me, shouting, but you're hearing nothing. With every touch I start to shout.
Thank you so much for watching. Let's chat down below in the comment section. How do you feel about this wig? Which hairstyle was your favorite? Where would you wear this wig to? I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to Erin21 and to the wig that I am wearing in this video. I am obsessed with it. I love, love, love the versatility of it, and I love this curl pattern with the headbands. I just think it's perfect. Let's chat down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to this wig down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. Give this video a thumbs up and turn on those post notifications down below if you have not already. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.